Night 16 here, and I would like to introduce you to the latest addition to the Night 16 Armory. This is a Core 15 5.56 rifle. I will be giving a review on this soon, and just to bring it into the family with a proper send out, we're going to see if a green tip 5.56, which are basically armor piercing rounds, will go through a small block engine. You ready? You going?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, nailed it. Oh, see that? Go through.
Don't see it.
We've been inspecting it, and we think it might have sort of come out there. We're not really sure, but either rate, we're gonna try it again. So here we go. Okay, here we go again. Let's see if we can get this. See how we did. Well, he definitely hit it right square where he wanted. See that right there? You see exit?
Yeah, we definitely have an exit hole somewhere. Leaking oil.
Do you see it?
Not yet.
Okay.
I don't think it went through.
Okay, so it did not go through. Well, we're still looking and we have not quite found it. So, either way, the moral of this story is do not shoot your engines unless you mean them harm. Does that go out without saying? Probably.
Yes.
Okay. And keep in mind, these are green tip 5.56, which is not quite armor piercing, and it did not go all the way through. Well, how about that? So,
there's a lot of motors, a lot of stuff in there though. When
the day happens, hide behind your small engine motors, people. Thanks again, this has been Night 16. Hit like for my awesome new rifle. Night out.